understand? So God created the universe, so he also created your ancestors. So your ancestors are not powerful than you. I know this doesn't make sense because it's being said by me.
More. Explain
yeah,
more.
your ancestors, your ancestors are your bloodline. They are your veins. They're inside you, is who you are, but it's not what made you. Therefore, do not bow down unto your ancestors before you bow down unto the Creator. It is not wrong to believe in your ancestors, but it is wrong to think that they are greater than your Creator.
You mean God?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't want you to tell me about the Bible. I don't want you to tell me about apartheid. Don't tell me about that. I'm saying
God.
The person that created everything we have currently now. Wisdom. You don't take wisdom from your ancestors. You don't take power from your ancestors. Do you understand? Ancestors do not. Ancestors cannot see the future.
Yeah?
Yes. Ancestors cannot see the future.
So why?
My man, ancestors cannot see your future, the future. If they saw the future, then they were gonna see that some of them are gonna die poor. Ancestors cannot see the future. You understand? People who are gifted, they can see the problem, but they cannot see the future. They cannot see the future. If they were going to, if ancestors can see the future, right, then they were not gonna want to relive their life through us currently. They were gonna live the life that they see for themselves in time. Why would I see my future currently and not fix it now if I can see it now? Why won't I? Why?
Yeah, man.
Why? Now ancestors are coming to us, trying to relive through us, through their mistakes. Why did they even make those mistakes if they can see the future?
So why? How about
That's why I'm taking you.
Oh, okay.
Ancestors are your guidance.
Okay.
They are not supposed to be your gods.
Okay.
They're supposed to guide you. Go about, you know, when you done giving birth as a woman, you get
Yeah.
that's who ancestors are.
Oh.
During your mistakes, during your struggles, you get them.
Yeah.
And then but they're not there to give you wisdom, but they are there to guide your own wisdom. So I'm asking for hey, hela. This is what you have. This is who you are. You were born with it. Therefore, they will guide you into what you already have.
Powerful.
Lalela, is there an ancestor that can give you an eye? Yeah? So how can they get inside something that is beyond your eye and give you a brain? Is a brain a spiritual thing? Is a brain spiritual? It's physical. So you are asking a spiritual thing to give you this. Even now, what I'm saying, you are going to try to twist it. But I'm saying to you, the power is in you.
And Creator.
The power is in you. The Creator is who? Is you. You are the Creator. Mudimu ki mamba nkwena. We say, let me make man in my own image.
Hallelujah.
Mudimu kwena. I'll forever be a sangoma. I'll die a healer. I'm a healer myself. But if you listen to me because you want to reason or you want to answer, you will not understand me. That's why but you don't do that. Ukphahla is a form of respect and communication with your ancestors. Stop thinking ukphahla is about to give you something that you don't have. Ukphahla will not give you something that you don't have. Ukphahla will guide you into what you already have.
Yes. Ukholwe.
Done.
Ukholwe.
Jwang ho nna. A lo tlisise.
Ne?
Aye. You'll for you la le tla dula ntse le re papa go deeper because you don't want to use your brain. Le tla dula ntse le re thokozani bo gogo, thokozani bo mkhulu, nangu Skhotheni nangu nyawoza nangu gogo tubulo, because what God gave you, even the word says my people are dying because of lack of knowledge.
Ooh.
Don't be part of that 10%. It's not knowledge.
Yeah, no,
you don't have to go deep into spirituality. Go smooth. Don't go deep. Don't go deep into spirituality. Go smooth. The more you go deep, the more you go broke.
Why or broke?
Because you want to find answers, even if there are no questions. You create questions for yourself. That's why you go to sangomas.
Who told the answer?
Who told the answer? Say we're not all creating the question. Your life is not questionable, but because you created questions, you go look for answers.
I know the told.
And you get fake answers. What is happening currently? There's nothing that the Bible said that is not happening now. There's nothing new. Look at what is happening. There's nothing new. Go to the book of Revelation. There's nothing new. You know Pastor Egnimane?
Yes.
What he's saying is true. But the more he stretches it, it sounds like he's hallucinating or he's saying lies.
Mara when it.
Pastor Egnima or Egnim, I don't know how to say.
Yeah.
What he's saying is the truth. But how he's stretching it makes it seem as if he's lying or he's hallucinating or he's not making sense. If you could say one thing and stop, he's gone. He's done. He's done. He needs you to understand him with it's fine. It's fine. Some things are not meant to be understood by other people. And it's okay.
Do you think because this kids are samoya?
Everyone is spiritual. Everyone is gifted.
Okay.
You have a gift to talk to God. Did God say, go to a pastor to talk to me? Everyone is gifted. So whose gift is you? Where's the gift? The gift is inside you. That's why the Bible says in the beginning it was the word was with God, the word was God. So in the beginning when the word was being built, the world is you. The word. In the beginning it was me. In the beginning it was the word, and the word was with me, and the word was me. That shows that everything is in you. You are, I mean,
you know, I was born you. Sharp here, bye bye. Bye bye.